So it's not a full moon?
It looks like it is not. વાદળા વગર ચાંદો આપણે ઘણી વાર જોઈએ છે પણ આ તો વાદળા સાથે ચાંદો.
એટલું બધું ક્લિયર નથી. One night we had a really nice star અને કશીક જાતનું સ્ટાર હતું કે જે કેટલા બધા વર્ષો ડેકેડ્સ લેટર આવ્યું હતું. તો એ લોકો કહે છે કે આવું તો કદી નથી થવાનું આપણા જીવનમાં. એટલે પછી એ રાતે મારે ખાસ જોવું હતું એટલે હું અહીંયા આવી હતી અને આઈ પાર્ક માય કાર રાઇટ ધેર એન્ડ આઈ બિગેન ટુ લુક. તો આ બધું અંધારું ઘોર થઈ ગયું હતું બિકોઝ ઇટ વોઝ લાઈક આફ્ટર 10 o'clock. એટલે આમ તો કંઈ વાંધો નહીં પણ પેલો પોલીસવાળો આવ્યો અહીંયાથી ચાલતો ચાલતો અને દૂરથી આવતો હતો ને માણસ એટલે પછી મને ગભરામણ થઈ કે મેં કીધું આ કેમ મારી પાસે આવે છે, મારા જ તરફ આવે છે. પછી મેં દૂર હતો ને થોડો મેં કીધું પોલીસ છો એના તો કહે છે કે યસ. મેં કીધું કે ઓ ઓકે. એટલે પછી હું ઊભી રહી અહીંયા તે આવ્યો મારી પાસે. મેં કીધું કે I know I'm not supposed to be out here late but I had to find a spot that was dark so I could watch this, you know. તો કે છે yeah it's the first one in a long time and it's not going to happen again but I'd like you not to hang out too much over here. કે છે કે just look at it for મમ્મી આ બાજુ ખસી જાઓ. look કે છે કે look at it for 5-10 minutes and then go because it's not good to be here too late. તો મેં કીધું કે શું થાય લેટ એટલે કેમ? તો કહે છે કે all kinds of people can be here કેમ કે we turn off the lights. તો મેં કીધું તમે લાઇટ્સ ઓન રાખતા હોય તો કશું નહોતું થતું જ્યારે લાઇટ્સ ઓન હતી. તો કહે છે yeah the city cannot afford to keep the lights on કેમ કે આ બધી લાઇટો ઓન રાખવી પડે ને એટલે કહે છે we don't like to do that. પણ પછી પોલીસને પે કરવા પડે છે અહીંયા આવવા માટે. કહે છે કે every few hours he comes and chases away people, you know. કહે છે કે ઘણીવાર લોકો સેક્સ કરવા આવે પેલા સાધનો પર કે કશાક પ્લેગ્રાઉન્ડ પર કે પછી ઘણા લોકો ડ્રગ ડીલિંગ કરવા આવે પછી એ લોકો બધા શોધી કાઢે આવી સંતાવવાની જગાઓ, you know. પછી કોઈક લોકો આવે કશી લડાઈ કરવા આવે કે કશીક જાતને એવી જાતની સભાઓ જે નોર્મલી ના થતી હોય ને એવી જાતને બધી પછી થાય. એટલે આ અંધારું કરે છે ને એનો જ વાંક છે. હું the first year that I came here they didn't do that. Yeah, now see this light is not happening but it is supposed to happen. But it shouldn't be economy. I mean up until 10 o'clock they should have the lights on. Now they don't have any lights on except those two over there and none of these lights are on. That's ridiculous, you know. And it's Friday night, Friday evening. People used to come, you know, Indian people used to walk here all the time. They play in the tennis courts and then also at the park. They hang out at the park. You know, Indian couples could walk, you know, because if they're living with their families they don't have time alone to talk, then they can come and, you know, hang out at the park. And sometimes men are alone, you know, like Indian men, and they want to talk to their wives on the cell phone, you know, back in India or something. They can just walk around and talk. You know, that girl that I met that time, Anapachi, she was trying to be my friend and all that. I met her, Kemke, she didn't even want to talk to me. She didn't even want to say hello to me or smile at me, you know, when I first ran into her a couple of times. But what happened, there was an Indian man, he had his car parked and he was smoking and he was just pacing around. She was scared. Oh my God, there's an Indian walking around. And so she got scared and she went over there to that park. And that's when she smiled at me. And then I asked her, you know, if she was going to continue to walk and if she didn't mind we could walk together because it was getting dark. So then she walked with me and that's how we became friends supposedly. But she was very prejudiced because, you know, she had this idea that this guy was up to no good, you know. And I told her, I said, you know, Indian people go through a lot to come here. They are not going to break the law. Generally they don't try to break the law. And, you know, that man was just probably wanting some time for himself, you know. and he was standing there smoking, and maybe he can't smoke at home, or maybe he just needs time alone, and he's pacing around. Maybe he has a problem. He's not going to do anything to her. So I explained that to her. I explained how much money we spend to come here and everything, and how much impressed nathi. She wasn't impressed with that, but she was impressed with the fact when I told her how the US ambassador grills us, and how much we have to go through, and how many no's people get, so that she was impressed with. Oh, I'm so glad they check and make sure everybody's okay before they come here. Like, it's her America, nothing bad happens in America. What an idiot. And then she just wanted to become my best friend, and she's just horrible. No, I mean, horrible girl. But this is bad memories, nahi, but it is something that a lot of Americans behave like that, and we think, oh, we're being friendly, and but do friendly kare. They'll smile, they'll talk, they'll be nice, but then they are being really mean. And they're telling us who we are and how we are and what we think. And, like I told her, oh, I'm going to go to church on Sunday. And she's like, oh, you mean a temple. You don't mean a church. You're just saying church because you think, you want to tell me that you're going to church. Mekidu, no, I go to church. I'm a Christian, and why would that be? We're not all freaking Hindus, good grief, I mean, it just... Well, and most of these women, I found that most of the white American women who try to hang out with me and get close to me, they're crazies, they're loonies, and they just don't have any of their own friends, so they want to hang out with me. Okay, Mama, I'm gonna open, so we'll go back.